In front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Now select Alarm section at the top left corner and create your alarm by tapping on this plus icon. Following that, set up an hour. When you're ready, click on OK at the bottom right corner of this pop-up. Now scroll down and click on Repeat. Over here you can pick days of the week that you wish to set up. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. Then tap on this little bell icon and set up the best alarm sound for you. You can click on Add New under your sounds to pick music from your smartphone. In order to do that, just click on your song and go back. You can also just set up one of those melodies instead, like Heartbeat. Then go back as well. By tapping on this icon next to Vibrate, you are able to disable or enable vibrations. Lastly, click on Label and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. To discard your label, select Cancel. To save it, click on OK. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to switch it off completely, tap on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to make some changes, tap on this icon under the switcher and change wherever you wish to. If you want to set up a different hour, click on it, make your changes and hit OK. To get rid of your alarm though, select Delete at the bottom left corner of it, and now it's gone. You can adjust even more alarm options by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, clicking on Settings, and managing all of them however you want to, like Snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!